In part A, we are supposed to find the general solution to this differential equation, dy dx minus 2y divided by x is equal to x to the power of 3. And the question has given us a help, which is in the form of this substitution here. It is given to us that y can be represented by ux to the power of 2. And what we are supposed to do first is to try to reduce this differential equation into the form of du dx is equal to x. So I know that all the y's are supposed to be removed from here. So in order for us to remove the y from here, let's do a differentiation to this equation. On the left hand side is dy dx if I were to differentiate this with respect to x. And on the right hand side, let's apply the product rule. So u 2x plus du dx x squared. So we have a 2ux plus x squared du dx, and this will be used to replace dy dx here. So it will be 2ux plus x squared du dx here minus 2y. Y is ux squared. So here ux squared divided by x. This is x to the power of 3. So we will have a 2ux plus x squared du dx minus this, and this can be cancelled. So we have another 2ux here, which later on it will be removed. This is equal to x to the power of 3, and since this will be removed, I will be getting a x squared du dx. This is x to the power of 3, so du dx is going to be equal to x, and this is what the question requires us to show. And in the next part of the question, what I am going to be required to do is to try to find the general solution to this differential equation. And since we have this as a reduced version of this, in order for us to find the general solution to this, let's try to solve this differential equation first, which is absolutely simple. This is just like the secondary school's kind of differential equation. So to find u in terms of x, we will just do an integration of the right hand side. Okay, so u is going to be equal to this, which means that u is going to be equal to 1 over 2 x squared plus an arbitrary constant. I'm going to go for a. And what is u? U is given to us as this, which means that u is equal to y over x squared. So this u, let us replace it by y over x squared. This is 1 over 2 x squared plus a. And let's take a look at the question again. We are supposed to get y in terms of x. So let's make y the subject. So y is equal to 1 over 2 x to the power of 4 plus the arbitrary constant times x squared. This is part A of the question.